have a lot of anxiety about your weight loss goal? It's Cathy here, and today we're going to talk about the fear and the anxiety that accompanies you when you start losing weight. And so I want to share a bit of a story with you. I just saw a sign that said, bear in area. And yesterday, for the first time, I actually saw a bear. Oh my goodness, it was exhilarating, scary. It was walking in the other direction. But it had me thinking, whenever we come out for walks, I'm always on the lookout, rightfully so, but almost to the point of obsessed, fearful, looking around, sometimes not fully enjoying the experience because I am so worried about it. And as Preston and I were talking, we were talking about how you can fear something so much that it actually keeps you from experiencing God's best in the moment. Also, we did a little bit of research on bears and realized that they are not looking to eat you for lunch, to devour you, as a thought that you might have in your head. See, a lot of times we think, oh my gosh, the bears are hunting, they're looking for me. They're just going about their lives. They're just going about their business. They're not looking to attack you or to harm you or anything like that. And that got me thinking, that got me thinking about our health journey also or even life. You know, we walk around fearful, on the prowl, looking for all the dangers that exist everywhere. You know, am I going to mess up? Am I going to make the wrong choices? Am I going to, like all these fears that we have that we bring into our health journey and we bring into life. And all these fears actually keep us from the very things that we're pursuing. It keeps us from taking action. It keeps us from exploring. It keeps us even from our relationship with God. Because we're spending so much time in that place of worry that we don't take the time to be present to what the Holy Spirit is teaching us and telling us each day and each moment. And so I want to encourage you, because I don't want to just leave you thinking, okay, well, what do I do with these fears? One, ask yourself, is there any real threat or danger? Most of the times, the fears are false experiences, expectations appearing real. So they seem real because of, I'm going to get help to cross the stream. Thank you, hon. They seem real because of all the buildup that we have in our mind, all the anxiety. What if I miss this? What if I fail? What if I can't do it? What if it doesn't work? Another stream crossing over, thank you. And all of that anxiety, all of the fear, all of the worry that we build up keeps us from taking action, as I'm taking action right now. And so, one, when you feel fear, challenge yourself to see if is this real or is this imagined fear? Secondly, how can you turn your fear into an opportunity to thank God, trust God, ask God to cover you, protect you, keep you, show you, lead you, guide you? Can you use fear as feedback to show you areas in your life that you haven't surrendered to God? Maybe it's showing you how you haven't submitted your health journey to Him yet. Maybe it's showing you how you're trying to do things in your own strength, right? Fear is such a powerful teacher if you allow it, instead of just running from it, instead of allowing it to overwhelm you, instead of allowing your preconceived notions about certain things to talk you out of opportunities. So be encouraged. Share with me today, what are some of the fears that you might experience in your health and weight releasing journey? Maybe it's a fear of, embarrassment that people will see you working out at the gym. Maybe it's a fear of eating the wrong foods and it not having any impact on your weight releasing journey. Maybe it's a fear of people not accepting you at your new size. Maybe it's a fear of missing a meal. That's a huge fear that I had. I'm going to talk about that in another video. The fear of being hungry. That's so huge for me. So go ahead and share. What are some of your fears in your weight releasing journey? There's a lot there. We don't even realize it, but there's a lot of fears that keep us from taking action in our weight releasing journey. That's it for now. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can know when I'm sharing another post. I share while I'm out here walking in the beautiful forests of Ontario, Canada. I pray that the beautiful scenery blesses you too. Bye-bye. Hey, my friend, I pray that you are being blessed by the word that you're receiving. But there's more. It doesn't have to end here. Yes, you can go on YouTube and listen and keep listening to my videos. But if you really want to jump in, if you really want to make change, if you are desperately looking for something to help you achieve your healthy weight, I want to show you how we do it at Weight Loss God's Way. No gimmicks, no fads, no quick fixes. Solid Bible teaching, solid action steps, a solid plan to help you get there. So go right now, 5 days God's Way, and learn how to achieve your healthy weight God's way. I'll see you there. Bye-bye.